Right, so let's look at how you can perform your pen testing as part of the coursework. So you should find there's a pen testing folder there when you browse your inventory. So we have just a test web server there just now, so that will become the real one, and we also have a test firewall. But just now, if you just want to have a little play with it, so there should be some server instances for you to be able to use to do some very basic penetration testing. Okay, so you'll find the standard Linux one will connect to the same network. So in this case, we would just jump on and we'll configure a static IP address, and then from there we can then do an nmap. So the network we're on is 192.168.100.0. So if we start an nmap there, and then I'll just let you have a look at the Kali instance that we've got. We'll just power that one on. Okay, so remember 192.168.100 is our network. Okay, so that's just running away there. That's fine. Okay, so we'll just put up Kali, see how we get on. Okay, so this is doing a scan of the network. There isn't too many hosts on just now, but you should be able to identify the main server when you log on. Okay, so that's us into Kali now. Hopefully, it's going to start up. There we go. Okay, we'll get logged in. It looks like our nmap trace is finished. So there we go. There is our server there at 192.168.100.250. Okay, there's all the services that are open and dangling just to be waited to be connected to. Okay, so you'll find the Kali will either be set up for DHCP or it's probably set up for just a static IP address, which it is. So what we'll do is we'll just go in and we'll just change that to be on the same subnet. Ethernet 0, 192.168.100 dot, let's go to 40 and do a net mask. Okay, we don't need the default route because we're just going on the same network. Okay, so I think that's our local network. Just make sure we have connectivity. That's perfect. And I think we found out that our server was at 250. So what we'll do is, it's up to you, let's do just an nmap on that one server just to save time. Okay, so you should find your applications, much of your applications are in here that you can actually look for in terms of your security and forensics and so on. And there you go. So that's worked absolutely perfectly. So there's our server there, and we can then go ahead and we can start to use the tools. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you to be able to get started in your coursework.